Good evening. Today we deal with about examples on ratio test type 2 examples. Type 1 and type 2 ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಏನದಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್? ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಸೀರೀಸನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇವೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೋತಿದ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎಂತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ರೈಟ್? So before to find its nth term, observe each terms. First term in other, it is purely free from variable x. So second term x other, third term x other, fourth term x other, so on. First terms x other, but first term ಏನೈತಿ x ಇಲ್ಲ. So x ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Living first term, so then find its nth term. So I can write un is equal to directly x to the power 1 ಐತಿ, x to the power 2 ಐತಿ, x to the power 3 ಐತಿ. So x raised to n divided by, so 2, 5, 10. 2, 5, 10. A value is 2 agutte. D common difference ಒಂದು 3 agutte, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 agutte. It is not AP form, so that you should balance it, right? So like this, I want to write its nth term is 1. So x divided by 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Already solved with this type of examples. 1 plus x square divided by 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 9 plus 1. Means 4 can be written as 2 square plus 1. Simplify and 5 plus, so x cube divided by 9 plus 1 means 3 square plus 1. 4 square plus 1, so on. Right? So now write its nth term. Leaving first term because of there is no containing first term x. So that's why giving first term. So I can write directly its nth term is x raised to 1, 2, 3, so on. It is x raised to n divided by 1 can be written as it is 1 square plus 1 is again 2. So 1, 2, 3, so on. It is n. No? 2, 2, 2, same other. It is 2 plus 1. So it is the nth term. Then apply n plus 1. So un plus 1 is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by x. N is the n plus 1, no? N plus 1 whole square plus 1. So x raised to n plus 1 can be written as x raised to n into x. So I can write like this. Then dividing this divided by this, we get to taking limit as n tends to infinity. So un plus 1 divided by un. So that equal to limit of n tends to infinity. So x raised to n into x divided by n plus 1 whole square plus 1 into reverse it. So n square plus 1 divided by x raised to n. X raised to n, x raised to n get cancelled. So again x is there. So stay as it is it baradana. Then simplify. So that equal to limit of n tends to infinity. So x divided by, so whole n count ತಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Power ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2 other. So n square into 1 plus 1 by n whole square plus ಇದ್ರದಷ್ಟೇ ಪೂರ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 ಜೊತೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by n square. So then ಮೇಲಿಂದ n square ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ n square into 1 plus 1 by n square. So n square get cancelled. If you apply limit as n tends to infinity, 1 divided by infinity is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. So plus 1 divided by infinity is 0, total it is 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು ಹೊಳೆ only for x ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. So limit of n tends to infinity, un plus 1 divided by un, that equal to ಏನು ಬಂತು x ಬಂತು. I don't know x value. So by using ratio test, if x is less than 1, that series is convergent. If x is greater than 1, that series is divergent. If ratio test failed, when x is equal to 1 other, that ratio test failed, therefore equation 1 becomes means un is equal to, so hinge ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿದೆ x raised to n divided by n square plus 1. Put n is equal, x is equal to 1 because of I want to check whether it is convergent or divergent. So balance ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ x equal to 1, that ratio test failed. So x is 1 ಹಾಕೋರಿ. So we get, so un is equal to 1 divided by n square plus 1, isn't it? un value. So now check, already you have to solve this kind of examples in previous unit. So vn ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. vn ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ 1 divided by n ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ means n square ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 plus 1 by n square. So therefore ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು vn. So vn is equal to ಏನು ಬಂತು 1 by n square. Apply comparison test, right? By comparison test, limit of n tends to infinity of limit for un divided by vn that equal to l ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. That l is not equal to 0 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. So it means ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So that 1 is not equal to 0. So comparison test of limit for v is exist. So vn is equal to 1 divided by n square. So p is equal to ಬಂತು 2 ಬಂತು. 2 is bigger than 1. By using p series test it is convergent. If it is convergent, un is also convergent. Hence, so this series is convergent. Clear? Then examples 2. So second example, so x divided by 1 into 3 plus x square divided by 3 into 5 plus x cube divided by 5 into 7, so on, right? So ಇದು 1.3 ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು 1 into 3 ಇದು 3.5 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು 3 into 5. Remember this. Then first term, observe each term. First term is x, second term is also x, third term is also x. So start with first term. Previous example ಏನಿತ್ತು first term ನೋಡಿ x ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ದಿ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 ದಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ x ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ start with x of nth term, right? So that equal to summation of x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x raised to 3, it is x raised to n divided by 1, 3, 5, it is nth term is 2n minus 1. 3, 5, 7, its nth term is 2n plus 1. So if you have doubt, check this 1, 3, 5, 7. So apply tn is equal to its nth term is 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So 3, 5, second term, 3, 5, 7, so on. tn is equal to the nth term 2n plus 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So already ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ tn formula. tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Using this base formula, so I can find its nth term. Therefore un is equal to x raised to n divided by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. So un plus 1 convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು because of I want to search by ratio test. So x raised to n plus 1 divided by 2 of n plus 1, 2n plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಏನಿದೆ n plus 1 ಅಂತ 2 plus 1 it is 3, 2n plus 3, right? So x raised to n plus 1 can be written as x raised to n into x. This is u of n plus 1, this is un. So dividing this by this we get limit of n tends to infinity un plus 1 divided by un. If you simplify this, x raised to n limit of n tends to infinity x raised to n into x divided by 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3 into cross 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by x raised to n. X raised to n, x raised to n get cancelled. 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 get cancelled. If you apply limit as n tends to infinity, it is equal to x. Limit of n tends to infinity. So un plus 1 divided by un, that equal to n bantu x bantu. Right? By using ratio test, if x is less than 1, it is convergent. You should write. So if by using ratio test, if x is less than 1, it is convergent. If x is greater than 1, that series is divergent. When x is equal to 1 another, that ratio test failed. So take equation 1 means un is equal to togori. Put x is equal to 1 togori. When x is equal to 1 another, so un is equal to n bantu 1 divided by 1 raised to n andre 1 agutta. So 1 n bantu n minus 1. So into 2n plus 1. So apply P series and comparison test of un and vn. So un is equal to, taking n is common, ಸೊ n ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ, n into n n square. So n square into 2 minus 1 by n, 2 plus 1 by n, isn't it? So and Vn is equal to n bantu 1 by n square bantu. So apply by comparison test of limit form un divided by Vn as limit of n tends to infinity. So 1 by n square get cancelled. So it is 1 by 4 bರ್ತದೆ. So limit of n tends to infinity un divided by Vn, that value is 1 by 4. This divided by this ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 and 3 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 2 into 3, 2 into 2 is 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that 4 1 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is less than 1 means it is not equal to 0. L is not equal to 0. By comparison test it is exist, and Vn is equal to n 1 by n square ಐತಿ. So P is equal to ಬಂತು 2 ಬಂತು. If 2 is greater than 1, by using P series test it is convergent. Vn is convergent, so un is also convergent. If it is convergent, this series is convergent. So please solve remaining examples. Thank you.